Hey everyone, so today we're going to be unboxing some stuff. I've got some FabFitFun Sephora and like an Amazon item, I guess, that I haven't opened yet. So let's just get into it. Let's see. FabFitFun. I'm trying to use the Canon Connect for the first time and keeps turning off. Just doing it the normal way. Okay, so, oh yeah. First item, FabFitFun. If you remember my first FabFitFun one, I've been waiting for some missing items for probably 3-4 months. Some Eau de May silicone wine glasses, which I love these. These are great. I already had these before. They're just kind of something to me because they fucked up basically. So I got to choose what I wanted. So I asked for this again. They're dishwasher, microwave safe. They're squishy. You can take them with you anywhere. They're sort of color pink. Here's what I'll show you. Color pink is so cute. I like the little carrying case too. See, and they're like not too squishy. Like they hold their shape enough that they're not gonna be so flimsy kind of. They're super cute. And Living Cream, I don't know if that will focus, there you go. Okay. Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream, which stops frizz and lightly condition. I do like this. I have really frizzy dry hair, so anything that helps me, I'm into. Oh, sure. So that's one box. And now, second FabFitFun box. What could this be? Could these be the bowls I've been literally waiting for months for, that I paid extra for? These are from my summer box. Now fully full. I'm so excited. Watch me like, no! Oh my god. They're broken! Fuck! Okay. Seriously? The smallest one is broken. So I'm just gonna leave it like this, so to prove that I arrived like that. So FabFitFun, you'll be hearing from me or my lawyers, or I don't know. Fuck. Okay. And then I've got this Uplift essential oil thing, whatever that is. Okay. I have an oil diffuser. Oh, so is it for diffusing? Because that's awesome. Oh, I think it is. Oh, lemongrass. I like lemongrass. Let's see. Man, I'm choked. I've been waiting for those for like so many months. Literally, as soon as I'm done this, I'm emailing them. Sweet orange. Eucalyptus. Oh, I love eucalyptus. Be diffusing these, I'm sure. Just find where's my diffuser anyway? Okay, so that's good. That's cool. Okay, and Sephora. Okay. like my items from the VIB sale. I didn't go too crazy. I got Ordinary, can that focus? Ordinary glycolic acid toning solution. I'm out of my Pixie Glow Tonic. I haven't tried this. Comes with a little dropper thing. That's kind of cool. More frequently than once per day. Void eye contour. Okay. Interesting. Okay. So yeah, I've never tried this, so hopefully I like it. But yeah, the Pixie Tonic one is 5% and this one is 7%. So hopefully I like it, but I was out of it. And the big bottle is 40 bucks and that one was like 10ish, so 10 something. I got Too Faced Born This Way because I was out of it. So this is now my second bottle. I love this foundation. It's so good. Jaclyn Hill turned me onto this. I know, triggered. It's like, it is, but it's so good. I actually use it with this sponge, which she got me onto as well, the Morphe sponge, which I actually really like. This is also my second sponge. When you use this foundation with the sponge, it just looks so nice. So it's my second bottle, so I had to re-up because of the sale. And what else? And FabFitFun. Okay. I believe this is another starter box. Let's see. Oh, what do we have here? So we have Kate Somerville Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. It says next best thing to seeing Kate in the clinic is treating yourself to Kate Somerville's signature facial at home. Natural exfoliants help to deep clean pores, while fruit enzymes help to clarify, renew skin, balancing hydration without over drying. Dramatically smoother, brighter, healthier looking skin in 2 minutes. I have kind of like combo dry skin. I tend to get little milia bumps or something, so I need to exfoliate a lot. Right now I'm using the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion, so this I'll definitely switch to this when I'm done. But I have heard good things, so I'm stoked about that. Sure. What's this? Libido Aromatic Body Lotion. That's alright, I guess. I mean, I have dry skin, so that's good. And throw this in like my purse or something, or just do something with it. I have for at home a big Nivea pump lotion, so I'll probably throw this in my purse or something. Let's see. Mark and Graham Personalized Gifts. Color block, looks like this. Color block throw in gray and ivory. Cozy up with your stripe design, cool fringe detailing. That's really cool. To be honest, I have so many blankets. I'll probably, I don't know, hold on to it. If I downsize some blankets, I will keep this, or I might just re-gift this, to be honest. And it looks like I have one more item. This is the Way of Will Nail and Cuticle Serum. There. Which is good. I guess like my cuticles are just jacked up right now because I always get like really long nails, but I need to take a break because they're paper thin. So I haven't done my nails in forever, so my nails in general are just jacked. So this could be good. Okay, just stop there. So I don't know how much you missed, but if you missed that, I got a cuticle oil and I got this blanket just to sum it up. And this I got it as Amazon shipment, which I haven't actually opened the actual box of. It's a tripod for my new camera, which you're filming on with right now. It's like a dupe for the gorillas, whatever the hell those are, the ones that are like a bendy one. Oh, for fuck's sake, okay. Oh, okay, that was easy. It just opens like that. Okay. Ooh. We are looking for a YouTuber for 3 minutes video for this product. We will offer $5, euros, pounds for video if you can make it for us. Oh, okay. That's interesting. So yeah, so it comes kind of like shaped like this. It looks really cool. The packaging looks really cool. And let's see. Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay. I was wondering if it's snapped open. I don't want to wreck it. But. Oh, nice. And it's like super bendy. So it's like just like those gorilla pod things, which are like ridiculously overpriced. And then this kind of. Then you screw your DSLR, and it's supposed to be strong enough to hold DSLRs. So that's exciting. And there's a little, I don't know what this is for, but I'm assuming it's important. And this, which I'm assuming is an adapter for your phone. So that's awesome. And this comes in this nice little carrying box. Ah, I love it. Oh my god, I love it. So yeah, I really wanted to get into vlogging and stuff, but I was thinking like, how would that even work? Like, if you're holding it, you can be like, you know, because it's a DSLR, it's like hard sometimes. This will help you be able to, you know, I don't know, you get the idea. Okay, so this has been bittersweet. I gotta email FabFitFun and let them know what's up. But it's been nice hanging out with you guys. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, comment down below what your favorite item was. And yeah, don't be a stranger, don't make it weird. Hope to see you around again soon. Bye.